Hello, my name's Emma Pineart and I'm Ricoh's Colour Production Product Manager, and today I'd like to introduce you to Ricoh's new colour digital press, the Pro C901 Graphic Arts Edition. When looking at the specifications for the Pro C901, we have the option of 7 input modules available, being able to carry up to a maximum of 11,000 sheets online, with sizes up to SRA 3 and substrate weights up to 300 GSM. With the addition of fan-assisted paper drawers within the large capacity trays and auto duplex, we're able to maintain productivity without loss of speed. Toner hoppers are front-loading to allow easy replacement whilst the machine is continuously running. With the introduction of Ricoh's new PXP oilless chemical toner, we're now able to provide offset-like output quality with a reduced fusing temperature. The smaller and uniform sized toner grain creates a sharper dot shape, giving a solid coverage. And thanks to the new technology, smoother shading and improved colour registration are assured. Colour is accurately repeated, delivering brilliant output. To support the front-to-back registration accuracy of ±0.5 mm, the registration unit has a stepping motor and front lay. New operator replaceable units help reduce costs and maintenance requirements, but maximising productivity. Key components can be easily replaced by trained operators. The Ricoh Media Library holds 260 pre-qualified profiles as standard. These can then be customised by users for up to 1,000 profiles. There is also real-time synchronisation between the Media Library and print server, ensuring that a wide range of complex or short-run jobs can be easily handled. There is a choice of high-performance colour print servers which are external from both EFI and Creo, all of which are compliant with JDF and APPE technology. The Fiery controllers have also just been certified with their FOGRA certificate. The Pro C901 is a modular product which is built to order at our factory in Telford. There is a wide range of online finishing options available. These include a range of saddle stitch finishing with 3-edge trim, a 100-sheet staple finisher, perfect binding and trimming, high capacity stacker and Ricoh's market-leading online ring binder.